I'm
Alright,
ready.
let's put it.
Andy.
Alright. We're finally in chapter 2. That was a very short chapter. Okay, the engine won't start. Beautiful. Alright, this is where we came from.
What?
Hmm?
Oh, what's the briefcase? Hey, SMG.
Oh my god, god damn it.
That's the MP5.
MP5?
Yeah.
No, wait. This thing?
It's art. No.
You have an MP5?
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? Okay, there wasn't even one in there for me. What the hell is this?
Okay, press B to call your partner. Why is this game? What is this?
Hang on, wait. There's tons of loot. Hold on. I think. Okay, never mind. I can't climb on shit. But I can break that. Wait, no. There's a box up there. Hang on.
Why is this game telling me how to play?
Press B to call your partner while holding B. Press up or down on the choose a list of commands. Attack. Your partner goes on defense. Cover. Your partner assumes a supporting role. Ah. This must be for, like, your NPC, I guess. Hold on, I want to get up here. Ah! Here we go.
And my problem is I
Wait,
don't have any
can
SMG.
I shoot that? What the hell is that? Do you see that, thing right there?
What?
Medallion! Okay. Did you see that medallion that was on the wall? Sorry, I should have let you see
Yeah,
it.
yeah, I seen you when you shot it.
Okay.
How'd you get up there?
There's a ladder all the way in the back.
Bro?
Yes.
Where are we supposed to be going?
I guess this door. Okay, read that one. Item menu. Okay, why is it telling us how to do all this now? I already figured all this out. Wait. No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Wait, yeah, I did. Well.
I got 3 guns now. Are you ready?
Hang on, wait.
Oh, you ready?
Anyway, hold on. I want to read this. Or I just want to
What?
make sure I get it. Okay. There are BSSA emblems located throughout every stage. The more BAA emblems you discover, you destroy, the more items you can purchase and bonus features. Oh, okay, cool.
Where do you fucking find those at? I ain't seen one yet, I think.
Alright.
Huh?
Hurry!
Don't fucking rush me, dude.
Where the fuck are we?
The port. Or on a boat. No, that's
We
the
are
port.
not on no fucking boat.
We are not in a fucking boat. Oh, shut the hell
Ow!
up.
Can you stop hitting me,
That's
dude?
what you get.
Oh, shit. Hey, how do we crouch? Can we crouch?
No. We can't make this go off.
We can shoot it, I thought.
There. There's a guy.
Ow, what the fuck? Dumbass.
Yeah,
Drop
come
something.
get his crossbow.
You want a crossbow? Oh, I don't
You
like that
sneak-
noise. Oh,
Yeah,
shit, I don't
not
need
you.
that.
You already got SMG ammo.
There's a shotgun now. I can't even use this.
Oh, bro. Well, go ahead and give it to me.
Can't.
Oh. Was that AR ammo?
No, that was SMG. Herb. Are you not finding herbs at all?
I can't pick it on up. I am full of them, I think.
Oh.
It said I was. I don't know how I'm full of herbs. Because where they at in my inventory if I am. Hey, look at that.
You just... Okay, hold on. Do you need anything?
Not as of now.
Okay.
Maybe SMG ammo because I don't have any. I don't need that, but I don't think I need it.
If it wouldn't like give it all to you, hold on. Let me see if I can give you some. Okay.
No.
Oh well, you can have it. I have more ammo than mine anyway.
It says combine. Combine. There. I didn't need that. That was full HP.
No. Well, I was trying to heal myself.
I think I was just too close to you. Okay, we gotta go back up top then. Okay.
If that would have hit me through this crate, I would have been pissed.
That's fucking crazy. A dog.
Oh my god! Oh, multiple.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Why that thing spun in front of me, bro?
Okay, SMG. SMG.
Woo!
Dude, you got the shotgun. You gotta kill him. Okay, there you go.
Alright, they died in one shot.
Ah!
What the hell? Was that the last one? Where'd the other one go? Why are they so quick?
No, I didn't want to use that.
Watch out for that tripwire right there behind me. Just to let you know.
The tripwire? What?
Yeah, right. It's like right behind me. Okay, my question is, why? why can't we fast swap? Once we can. Oh, we can. It's
a
the
D-pad. I just don't remember how to map it. It said it, but I didn't pay attention.
You gotta map it like a D-pad. That's how.
How are you supposed to map it?
Put your gun in the top middle.
Top middle. Oh, I see it.
Yeah, it's just a D-pad. Whatever you want to use, just put it at the top middle.
Yeah.
Alright, I don't get why it's
sense.
though. It's kind of slow.
Is there loot the other way?
I don't think so. I didn't mean to jump down. I do it. You think it's through a monkey wrench? You seen that shit? Fool.
He... Ow, bitch. Behind us? No.
Wow.
Oh, sorry.
Alright. Where'd the other one go? Did you just walk away? Why is that one more bulletproof than the last one? I need this pistol out. I'm running out. Holy.
Yes, carry us, Jaden.
Okay, I'm on fire. I'm on fire.
Sorry.
Okay,
Oh, the hell's both of us. Nice. Eat ammo.
Okay. Unironically. I mean, not technically, no. I got like 3 different guns.
Okay, that's fine then.
It halved it that time, didn't it?
No, I gave you like 4 bullets.
How'd you do it?
Cause I had a full stack and I just gave you the itty bitty amount I had left.
Which way are we supposed to be going?
This way? Oh.
Okay, that door didn't seem that heavy. Oh, we gotta go across the bridge.
PewDiePie bridge.
What a nigger.
No!
Is what PewDiePie says.
Can we jump across? What are we supposed to do? Did we just die?
Yeah,
What the fuck?
Oh wait, okay. I know what we're supposed
Are we supposed to shoot him or the fucking tires?
Hold on.
Hold on.
Why is the first AIDS race so expensive?
Jaden got us ran over.
You got us ran over.
I didn't got us ran over. I was trying to turn around to run away. Oh wait. It's not my phone. It's 6 in the morning.
No, it's not.
It's 4:02.
5:56.
Same thing.
Why can't we not buy ammo? Holy shit, dude. Alright, you ready?
Wait. Wait! I was turning on the fan. Alright. Okay, this time. Oh, the barrels! The barrels.
Yeah, we got the barrels. Didn't realize. It kind of didn't prompt it neither.
Alright. Shoot the fucking barrel! Yeah, so yeah.
I'm shooting the barrel. I'm not shooting that guy.
Oh shit. Can you see where my laser's at?
No. I mean, technically, yeah.
Dude, that guy would not die. Stop.
I need that. What's the one right there?
Whoa! What? Isn't that dead?
You gotta finish him.
Yeah. Did I not kill him? I did. Hang on, I gotta reload. What the fuck?
I had a grenade.
No.
Alright. This wouldn't be an issue if we could just buy ammo.
I'm surprised we couldn't, honestly.
Yeah.
Let me know if you find a shotgun.
Alright. You could've just bought a shotgun.
So, I was trying to buy something that I didn't think we were gonna get for a while. Are you sure?
And we can't break the boxes.
Okay, yeah, I found where we're supposed to go. Alright, cool. No. Oh. Come. Hello?
Get off me! Okay, shotgun is something needed bad.
Shotgun?
Yeah. I'm looking in shit water right now.
Probably.
Hey, what's this? Oh, it's an incendiary. Incendiary grenade.
Shut up.
Something shiny.
Oh shit!
Oh, fuck no.
That took too many bullets. There's another grenade on the ground.
Oh, okay. Is one gonna come out of that dude too?
Yep. Hold on. Right when you step to him. I'm
No,
throw
he
it.
just woke up. Oh, okay. Okay. That one just took a little longer.
Yeah, okay, didn't die.
Die?
Are they shotgun shells right here? I don't want that. They are. Okay. Well, were we supposed to come this way?
Yeah, there's something behind
Oh,
us.
yeah.
There's only something shiny.
Just in case the dogs pull up. What are these gasoline things?
I don't know. I tried to shoot him one time and it didn't explode, so I have no idea.
Hey, herb. Let me pick this up. Tomato.
The tomatoes lied to me. There's not shit in there. You
There's
lied to
supposed to
me,
be.
actually.
No, there usually is. What was that?
Herb,
Okay, which way are we supposed to go?
down here.
Hmm. There's something in that water.
I see it.
Okay. Let's go slice these cocoa. Hey, what's this? What's this red flower?
A red flower? That's another
Yeah.
herb. I guess. I think.
Oops. You get over there?
Okay, we need a key.
Break those coconut.
Wait, there's a chest in here. Wait. How do I get in here?
And where?
In here.
Oh, wait, hold on. You got a grenade?
Yeah.
Throw it. Throw it right here. Did it work?
Nice. Yeah, blew this up. Found a jewel.
No, I just try my health. Fuck it. Wow. Alright.
Wait.
Where's here?
Is this all we can loot over here?
I don't know. There's no way. No, it's just this door here. There we go.
Oh my god. Key!
There's a guy right here. How you get that key down?
Shoot it, maybe? Yep.
Oh. Port key.
Oh, fucking great.
You and
Hey, look, I didn't finish looting in here. Y'all can give me like 5. Oh my god, never mind. Oh my god. What is he swinging at? Behind you, bro. Smash.
get the fuck off me, fatty.
Oh. Whoa. What the fuck just happened?
We gotta get up in here. I ain't gonna lie.
Did your game just lag or no?
Not really.
Okay, mine just had like a major spike. And lag. Wait. Grenade! Boom! He's still alive! Okay, he's dead. Time to bring me my money. Okay.
Whoa!
Oh. Okay. Why do we try? Alright.
He didn't die from that.
What? Why are you alive?
Can he drop me ammo?
No. What do you need?
I just need pistol ammo right now.
You. I haven't even opened that area yet.
I shot him.
Open it.
I shot him and he fell down.
Oh, okay.
Do bullets not go this far?
It might. Give me some, give me some, give me some. Alright, don't give me some.
Is there another guy?
Don't know. What are we even getting right here?
No, stay back. Where'd you get that piano?
Hey, where'd you get the piano? No! Wait, what? Why can't I jump down right here?
Where can't you?
Wait, we can always jump in the water? Oh, I don't like
Hey, jump in the water, see what happens.
No.
Hey, there's a herb.
Oh, okay. Yeah, helicopter man. Wait, where did Big Man go?
He just flew in the water, look like. Oh, he died to that. I'm over here now.
Oh, cool. You can get on the wall. Nice. Alright, what's in here? Oh my
Nothing on it. I
god.
already looted it. You're alive? Oh, that's ammo on the other side. I kind of want that.
Where?
There's a herb up here. Right over here. It's SMG ammo. I'm like, I can't eat it. And pistol ammo? Jesus. Holy grail.
Oh.
Hey, there's a herb right there. Let me go get it.
You can combine 2 green herbs together. Although
I'm
you can
full.
combine a green herb with a red herb.
I'm full anyway. I'm like full of herbs apparently.
Well, yeah, just combine your green and red herb.
Oh really? Hold on.
Yeah, it'll do more health regen.
Right there.
Oh my goodness.
Let me pick this one up.
Oh, there's a dude behind me. What the fuck?
You can hear the herb like if you're close to it, you can hear it.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
I think you can. I got a feeling this helicopter's gonna go down.
Nah, Kirk would never.
Rifle ammo.
Rifle?
Yeah, which way are we supposed to go? This way or that?
Not where I'm at. I'm at a dead end.
I'm talking about over here. There's like 2 doors. Or is this what those guys just came out of? Hey, a rifle.
Oh my god.
You want it? Go get it. It's right here.
You can have the rifle.
You got the rifle. You got the ammo for it, literally. You only have. I got 3 guns. You got 2.
Well, we're not the limit here. Wait, hold on. Take that.
What was that?
Alright. Rifle.
Why does this SMG hold so much ammo? Does it have an extended mag or something? That was 45 bullets.
Mine holds 50. Was that a joke?
Alright. So how does a rifle work when you shoot it?
It has a scope. And you can aim, you can zoom in and out.
Okay. Which way did you go?
I'm going this way. Just to see if there's any good loot.
Bam, Goaty. What did he drop?
I don't know, I'm trying to stomp him. There's shotgun bullets right there. Herb.
Who the fuck are you breathing?
What the fuck is happening here? Ooh, chainsaw. A chainsaw? What were they doing in here?
Is it a double-bladed chainsaw?
Maybe. Magnificent animal corpse. Quite a smell.
He ain't dead.
There he is.
Fuck? He just moaned, bro.
Yeah.
Freaky ass. I can't reload. I don't have any bullets to reload.
I can't pick that up.
I got it.
Combine the two green ones you got.
Yeah, I just did.
I can't pick up that handgun ammo. You can have it.
Well, yeah, because you got fucking 50.
Well, excuse me for being a good scavenger.
No, you just hogging all the damn ammo.
I'm not hogging any damn ammo. There's more. There's literally more. There's more handgun ammo in here that you missed.
Did I?
Yes.
You gave it to me. Anywhere, I didn't loot that.
In the house. You did.
I didn't loot this house. You did.
We were both in here. What are you talking about?
I assumed you took all the ammo.
That's why you don't assume the worst. Acting like I'm evil or something.
I mean, you are evil. You are my resident, aren't you?
I'm not your resident to the evil, okay?
Damn!
Oh shit! No! Kirk! Kirk, no! Dude, I can't aim at these things with them behind like this.
Right there, right above our heads! Alright, no, we're going. Come on.
Hang on, I got it. The helicopter went down! Oh, that means Kirk died!
I knew it was gonna go down. Alright, hold on, what's this way?
It's always the dude on in the helicopter, man. Wait, come back.
There's something up in here. Not.
Yeah, let me throw you up here. Oh my god, yeah, get all the ammo.
There's snapper ammo up here. Or,
Oh shit, you can Oh my god.
where you at?
This right here. So, do you think that certain weapons are meant for, like, certain characters?
Probably. How am I not hitting that guy? Pick up this rifle ammo. There's some rifle ammo.
I can't get up there.
Yeah, I'll pick it up and get to you. What was the point of me coming up here?
For me to get hit by this dude, apparently. Dude, what? They can dodge? That's stupid.
I gotta give you this. There's handgun ammo up here that I need. I gotta give you this rifle ammo. Can I do it from right here? No, I can't do it from right here. Alright.
What if I get, like, down here?
I need to get you. I need to get back.
Oh my god, wait. I can get like a collateral right here. Hold on. Oh, I got the collateral.
Alright. How you live, sir? Come on, help me pick up this ladder so I can get this pistol ammo.
Okay. Anyway, back to this barrel I was trying to get. Or did I get? Oh my god.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Don't be rushing me, dude.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
You missed a barrel!
What barrel?
Oh my god. It's
No,
fine.
no,
No, no,
no,
no, no,
no,
no,
no,
no,
no, let's go get it, let's go get it.
it.
Let's go get it.
I'm not going back over there. Kiss my ass.
You missed the barrel.
You did!
You missed the barrel. Oh, come on.
Come on.
Stupid. Alright. Pick up the plant. Hey, ammo. What? What kind of toilets are those?
Hmm.
Are those like the ones you squat over?
Maybe.
I can't take that herb. There's a guy right here. This guy was just creeping. He's just teleporting. Holy shit. It takes so many bullets to kill one individual. See you hogging all the ammo again.
No, I got the barrel because you like detest getting barrels.
I can't open it. I got the barrel because you were in the bag.
You wouldn't. You wouldn't get the barrel. Oh man.
What's this? Hand grenade? Mind if we do?
Hello, barrels.
There's another hand grenade. Do the hand grenades? Okay, I was gonna say, do the hand grenades not stack?
Oh god damn it. Oh, fuck.
What?
Come get this herb. Wait, no. Oh, fuck.
I can't get it.
Okay.
Come on.
Oops.
Okay, hold that.
What would you just give me? I got 4 grenades now, dude.
Alright. Can you have my grenades back to me or no?
I end up giving you all 4.
Okay, I don't wanna.
Actually.
Well, I don't need all 4.
Okay, I just threw away all 4.
You discarded 4 grenades? Fuck!
Yes. Why would it not just put them on the ground?
I don't fucking know! Why would you just throw them away?
Hey, don't look at me, man. You should have gave me all 4 of yours until you had.
Oh my god. You know what? Whatever. It's fine. We don't need this.
You did it for a herb we didn't need.
Yes, I did!
No, you didn't. If you already got 2 heals and the spray, you don't need no other herb.
You got a barrel right next to you.
Yeah, we do blow it up. Actually, I did blow it up, huh?
Oh shit, I was trying to headshot you. Oh shit.
There's a barrel right here.
Fuck.
Fuck, I missed. He hit me. I gotta reload. Why can't we move and reload? Holy shit.
Oh my god. Hang on, I'm reloading. Don't die. Oh my god, I can't aim. The non-bullet drop is crazy. I'm shooting as if it's bullet drop. Okay, I'm reloading.
There's shotgun shells up here. Ow.
Well, you have shotgun, I mean.
Not shotgun, but AR.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. Is there another guy up there behind me?
I got him.
Damn, and you're not dead yet? Shit.
Am I supposed to be able to go?
You can jump down and come over here, Wyatt. What are you doing?
I can jump down and go over there?
Can't you?
I didn't think so. Unless it connects.
No, it's like a door, like right on the ground.
It's a door? Oh my god, I have to go all the way back down.
Yeah. I mean, I guess I can pick up the rifle ammo for you, since I ain't got no other ammo.
Oh, this door. Oh, shit. Oh, it's locked from the other side. You gotta open it. Oh, there's barrels right there anyway. Hold on, I don't see if this kicks me away. It does not. Boo.
Where'd you go? There you go.
Okay, what did you drop? What? You gave me ammo?
Yeah, give you like rifle bullets. I got flu.
What the fuck?
He still ain't dead. He already dead.
Shit. Alright, time to loot.
Shit. I like how they're just dropping shotgun shells now.
Are you sure they're just not dropping stuff like that correlates with what you're using?
It might be that, to be honest. It could be that.
Alright.
Hey, a grenade!
Grenade. Or did we miss any chests at all? I hope not.
Chest? Maybe we wouldn't know. Oh, great. Chainsaw.
Oh no.
Chainsaws cannot do that, by the way.
How do you know what chainsaws can and cannot do?
Because I did forestry in high school, and they cannot cut through a metal bar like that. That's just fucking... That doesn't make any damn sense.
You did what in high school? Forestry?
Yeah.
Yeah, but still. Uh-oh. Oh, 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 shit! Oh, shit, behind you, bro!
Run!
Oh, shit, I gotta reload, hold on. Oh, wait, let me kick him, Get it! Oh, shit. Oh, shit! Boom! Oh, shit!
What the fuck is he doing?
Okay, I'm out of ammo for that.
He didn't touch me with that.
See, the 4 grenades you threw away would have came in real handy right about now. Oh shit. Are you dead?
Oh, he dropped something.
Did he?
He dropped the
Oh,
key.
key.
He's not dead.
He's not? Kill his ass! Oh! Oh, run away!
Let him,
Oh, run away!
let him come over here.
Yeah, we got a barrel. Hold on.
At the road.
He's still not fucking dead.
He's on your ass. I'm coming.
Wait, shoot that barrel! Yeah. It's about fucking time. Shit. How do you have so much health?
I guess black men have a lot of stamina. I don't know.
That is racist.
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, I don't have that many. I meant to reload, nigga.
Dude, he took so many headshots.
And so many shotgun blasts to the face.
Yeah. Wait.
I had 28 shotty shells and I only have 8. Or 10. 11. Oh, yeah. 8 key.
Perfect.
Gold. Damn. Alright, hold on. Am I reloaded? Okay. This chapter's long as heck.
At least
Seems
it's...
like.
Well, maybe.
Let me pick that up.
Yeah, you can have it.
Yoink. Who's doing that gawking?
The crows. The literal crows.
They're gawking, bro. I said gawking. Trying to shoot the birds?
No.
You animal.
I'm not shooting the birds.
I see you aim at one. Boss fight.
Surely. Why is the frame rate on
Yeah.
this so bad?
I got mine kept at 144. Kurt. Bro, they cooked him.
There.
No. Is that a motorcycle?
I guess.
It's not. It can't be, but it sounds like one. Oh,
That is a fucking motorcycle. What the
This
fuck is he
nigga
doing?
not Ghost Rider. This
Why?
is not Ghost Rider. What the fuck, bro?
Oh yeah, grab me. Holy shit.
Wow, she has a nasty aim.
Oh my god.
Is there another
No.
one? Okay.
Why is this necessary?
Surely we don't have to do this, do we?
Yes. Shoot the fucking barrels. Do we not have to do this, Ella?
I hope not. That'd be too damn hard.
Who is this?
Some guy.
What? No. Oh my god.
Oh, it's that other support team. Damn. Wow, this game is, you know, advertised as it is. She ran out of bullets.
I guess. Wait, why don't we have assault rifles like them? What?
Because we ain't found one yet.
That's stupid.
Or we gotta buy one.
The chapter's still going!
Chris Redfield. Shiva.
Thanks, Josh. I owe you one.
I guess his name is Josh.
I trained under Josh. He taught me everything I know.
Shiva became little sister of the team. Now, Shiva, you must continue your search for Irving. According to the data we retrieved from the hard drive, we believe he has moved on to the mining area. There's more info inside it. We will follow after taking care of business here. And keep your radio handy just in case.
Thanks, Josh.
Look at that big ass hard drive we found last chapter. What do we do with that?
I don't know.
Jill. Wesker.
Oh my god.
Jill is supposed to be dead.
There's no way she's dead.
She's supposed to be dead.
This picture, it's...
But she's probably not.
forget it. It's nothing. Let's move out.
Oh shit, we did it! Let's go!
Hey, my accuracy is godly that game.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
No, it wasn't. No.
Who has an S? Who has an A?
No, whatever.
That took 41 minutes. Jesus.
That was a long ass chapter. Alright. Let's end this video. Come back for the next one! Where Chris Redfield might die.